Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have some more Contenders blaster boxes to open. The first two have been pretty kind to us with LaMelo Ball and Tyrese Halliburton and Anthony Edwards, so here's hoping for some more good luck. So after those dual patches, those blue numbered cards, what are they out of? Let's really look. Blue numbered 49 up the top here. So we're after those. Haven't got any so far, so surely our luck changes. And also after a autograph instead of a patch. So here we go. Back into it. Check it up there. Refill the packs. None of them feel that chunky, which might mean we've got an auto. Here's hoping, fellas. Drop a like if you want an auto in this vid, and then we should get some good luck. Kicking it off with Joel Embiid. Dragic again. Look at that, that's not good. Look at this printing. Half his name's gone. Oh no, it's not a good sign. At least it's a shit player. I'm not a shit player, but just not a high player. Montrezl Harrell. The new Shanghai Sharks star, Cole Kuzma. Zion. DeAndre Ayton doing work for the Suns. Oh, Devin Booker, red parallel. Don't know if it's hard to see through this camera, it's red up here, down here, red foil. And then Ben Simmons, also on the Shanghai Sharks next year. You heard it here first. Sleeve up D-Book. Future NBA champ. Let's go. Not a bad first pack. This one's RJ Barrett. D-Book again. Harden. Jason Tatum. Devontae Graham. Nurkic. Rudy Gobert. Oh, and a red Luka. Nice. Liking these. I'm liking these. Sleeve him up. And the foiling looks good on that. So happy days. On to the third. Bam Adebayo. Oh, I think we might have it. Oh no. Kemba. Jarrett Culver. Fred VanVleet. Marvin Bagley III. Kristaps Porzingis. Red. Oh, Lonzo Ball, let's go. Favourite player, ladies and gents. Oh, and a Jason Tatum. I'm happy with that. The best ball brother. Very nice. We're going to replace D-Book with Lonzo because he's my guy. Just give him a few more years, guys. And then a Jason Tatum. Two more. I'm feeling the auto. Christian Wood. Kelly Oubre. Seth Curry. Giannis. Miles Turner. Zach LaVine. Klay Thompson. And Andrew Wiggins. Former #1 pick. This is actually feeling fast. I think it might be another jersey. KD. Please be an auto. Markkanen. Murray. Mitchell Robinson. Kyrie. CQ. I think it is a patch. Cole Anthony. Not an auto, but decent. And then Manuel quickly. Sleeve this dude up. Wish these were game worn, eh? That'd increase the value of them quite a lot. Hard to get through these sleeves. Actually, if I just cut the end. Don't know about that. Make it easier. It does actually. Cole Anthony. And we'll sleeve up quickly as well. Boys, like a fool trying to put these in there. Alright guys, not the best, but we'll take it. 2 more boxes to go. Subscribe if you want to see more. Cheers.